पळयलां की कलंगूटान आतां सद्याक डेमोलिशन चालू आसा. फाटल्या दिसांनी पळयलां की फर्स्ट फेज डेमोलिश केल्ली. ह्या डेमोलिशनाचे एक्झॅक्ट डिटेल सांगा.
It is ongoing process. So we put up file for the this thing demolition squad. Then video granted as a deputy collector granted as a squad, and accordingly we proceed on site today. So this today is the second phase of the demolition. Altogether 23 structures were there. Most of the people themselves demolished their own structures. Only 4-5 which are there temporary structure panchayat has demolished.
सो हे डेमोलिशन एक्झॅक्ट रोड वायडनिंगाचे
Yeah.
एनक्रोचमेंट.
To honor verdict of the High Court, panchayat took a decision and accordingly procedure started.
सो ऑलमोस्ट कितली डेमोलिशन आजच्या दिसा केली ती?
Almost there was 23 demolitions. Among them only 3-4 demolition were carried out. Rest of the things owner of the occupier of the building themselves removed all the encroachment, and still further the process will be continued.
कंटिन्युअसली. ओके सर. सो आता सध्याक डेमोलिशन कंटिन्युअसली प्रोसेस चालू
Yes,
केलो. ओके. द नोटीस वाज फॉर ऑल
Yes,
23.
yes, all due procedure was followed. As per the whatever procedure I have to follow for the demolition, all procedure has been followed.
कित्याक लास्ट टाइम जेन्ना डेमोलिशन फर्स्ट फेस केली तेन्ना काही जणांनी अशें म्हटलें की आमकां नोटीस सर्व जावंकूच ना आनी हे
No,
पंचायत
not like
येयली.
that. It is one who is when the times come to escape from there, they are telling like this, they are dead. But that time also all procedure, due procedure were completed. Now also all procedure is completed, and accordingly, and there will be a third phase.
द थर्ड फेस विल बी दे. इन द थर्ड फेस कितली आसतली?
Exactly, I can't tell you the number, but it will be more than 20-25.
मोर दॅन 20-25. येस सर.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.